Proper food, every child's right. So children, here we studied about Kailash, who never used to like homemade food, and there was one Rashmi who doesn't get even a proper meal. Okay, one proper meal. So about half the children in our country are like Rashmi, who do not get enough food that is needed for them to grow and develop properly. Okay, so these children are very weak and they are very sickly. They are always in poor health. So it is the right of every child to get a proper food, right children? But that is why the school has started, the government school has started with the midday meal program, where these poor children, they get at least one full meal at home in the school. Here, this is a tragic story. Here you will see a story is from the Kalahandi district, Odisha. Okay. Kalahandi district, Odisha. So what is happening here? Gomti. The name of a girl is Gomti, and this Gomti is a very, very poor woman. Okay. Gomti is only 30 years old. She works in the field of a rich farmer, and she does all her hard work and she gets very little paid. And it is so little that she can't even buy rice to feed her family. Okay, for few months she does not get any work at all. Then what does she do? Then there is no food for her to eat. Then she eats leaves and roots from the jungle. Her children are weak and hunger and always sick. Okay. Few years ago, her husband died of hunger. Most rice in Kalahandi, this is the tragic story. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district only. And people are not getting enough rice to eat, the poor people. And what's happening? Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godown gets spoiled. Okay? But these poor people don't get to eat. This is the tragedy here. So here children, we learnt that in this country the food gets rotten. The rats are eating all this, but poor people are not getting. People are dying of hunger. This is tragedy. So, in this chapter we studied about we cannot taste the food properly when you have a cold. Do you think that? When you have a cold, you say, मुझे कोई taste नहीं आ रहा. It means when you can't smell a food, you can't taste the food, right? So, we studied about the whole taste. First, we studied about the taste buds, the taste regions, the digestion system, how the food travels from mouth to it, small intestine, large intestine, and it goes out through anus. Yeah. So we studied about the Beaumont, Dr. Beaumont. We studied about the Rashmi and Kailash, how they were undernourished, malnourished. Then we studied about Gomti, whose her husband died of hunger in Kalahandi district in Odisha. Okay, so that's how it is. So here we are done with the chapter, children. So question answers will be given okay after this.